Last week, the Georgetown municipality withdrew an action filed against a company for payment of container fee who claimed that the fee was deemed to be bad in law. Attorney Sase Gunraj, who represented the company, Krung Mining, has also advised the Private Sector Commission, the PSC, that City Hall's application for the fee is arbitrary and unlawful and cannot form the basis of any successful prosecution. City Hall said the passage in the bylaws was incorrectly quoted, but Royston King said the case is not over. They are coming back, and at this time, City Hall will not be the loser. Mr. King further stated that the container fee was not a tax, as some purported to be.
It's a fee, and we are not moved by the intemperate, immature, indecent utterances of some people who come on television and rub their hands with glee and write letters on all kinds of spurious things about us having to withdraw the case. We're happy that the matter went to court, and we're happy that the matter was tested. We will take it back to the court because we know that we're on the law is on our side, and we know that we'll be judged in years to come as being on the right side of history. So we don't have a problem with that. We're accustomed to criticisms.
Krung Mining and other city businesses were summoned to court after they were served with letters from the City Council, which are sought to apply fees on shipping containers on the city streets. According to King, there are some businesses who want to use city spaces for free without paying anything to the treasury of City Hall. This, King said, must stop.
What we have to offer in the city is space. But the space in the city is collectively owned by all the citizens of Georgetown. They must have undeniable access to the space in the city because they own it collectively, all the citizens of Georgetown. If individuals or private enterprises wish to use the space for private business, they will most likely deny citizens free access to the space that they own. Therefore, those businesses who utilize space for private enterprises must compensate the citizens for the denying them the space to use through their local authority, which is the mayor and city council. This is the whole essence of the law. This is the whole essence of city government.
Town Clerk Royston King explained more about how big businesses fail to honor their obligation in the city of Georgetown.
You have big businesses clearing containers at $3 and $4 million per container, traversing our roads, damaging our road shoulders. The engineer will tell you how much money we spend, damaging the sleeves of our drains, parking their containers for protracted periods on roadways, denying citizens access to these spaces, encouraging and facilitating congestion, and refusing to pay a small fee of $25,000 to the mayor and city council. I mean, how ridiculous. Isn't it strange that business people would rather go to court and pay hefty legal fees to their lawyers to be represented on this matter rather than pay a contribution to the upkeep and development of the city? Isn't it strange?
Rihanna, Mr. King is confident that City Hall will return to court and win the case. His desire is to bring to an end the presumptuous, irresponsible, and negligent actions of these businesses that enrich themselves at the expense of the council and ordinary citizens. Rihanna, back to you.